This recipe is a must try, and if you're a lover of coffee, then you would love this cake. Hi, my name is Esther Sanami, and you're welcome to Good News Catering and Events. To all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always tuning in. And if this is your first time here, welcome. Today we are making a coffee cake, and let's get right into the video. Here are our ingredients. I'm making use of a self-raising flour. I'll leave a link in the description box and in the comment section how to make a self-raising flour. 100 grams of sugar, 2 large eggs, 100 grams of butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavor, 1 tablespoon of coffee. If you want it more concentrated, you can add more, and 1 cup of warm milk. In a mixing bowl, add your butter and sugar, and you're going to mix this until it is very light and fluffy. And while you are mixing, make sure you scrape down the bowl so that everything will be well mixed and well incorporated. If you're new on this channel, welcome, and if you are yet to subscribe, what are you waiting for? Please hit the subscribe button now. Into the butter and sugar, you're going to add in your egg one at a time, and you're going to mix this until it is well incorporated. You don't want to have egg separation from the butter and sugar mixture, so you want to make sure you mix it very well. Adding your vanilla flavor, adding your coffee, and give it a very good mix. Now it's time to gradually add in the flour, and we're going to be adding the flour in 2 batches. And when you add your flour, gently fold in your flour into the mixture. You don't want to have a tough batter, so you don't want to over mix. Now add in your warm milk and gradually mix until everything is well combined. Now our batter is ready, and you'll be pouring it into your already greased baking pan. In order to get out the bubbles and the air from the batter, you are going to gently tap the pan. It will also help your batter to be well leveled. Bake this in the oven until a skewer inserted comes out clean. Our cake is ready, looking so beautiful, really delicious, and also very fluffy. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please do well to hit the subscribe button. Turn on the notification bell to get updates when I drop new videos. You can enjoy your coffee cake with a cup of juice, a bottle of yogurt, or you can just have it as breakfast. Kindly like, comment, and share this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.